For this design project, we were tasked with creating an autonomous guitar tuner. We were supposed to create it in order to have 4 separate tuning solutions, standard tuning and 3 others that we chose. The first step in this process was reading an attainable signal from the guitar. We did this using a piezo pickup that was then ran to a preamp in order to see usable numbers. After this, we had to take the signal that was in the time domain and put it into the frequency domain using an FFT. Once we had the proper frequencies of the string, we were then able to analyze whether or not the string was too high or too low compared to what the string actually needed to be. After this, we could then control our motors accordingly. The first step in this process is reading the signal via the piezo pickup attached to the body of the guitar. The signal then runs through the 1/4-inch cable into the Altoids can, where we house our amplifier. As you can see from the oscilloscope, the amplified signal that we are gathering. From the amplifier, we then run to the Quanser Q4 breakout board. This is where we actually calculate the FFT and gather whether or not the string is off, too low, or too high. This information is then sent to the Arduino Uno, which is what controls the motors based on direction. As you can see, our continuous rotation servos are connected to each of the tuning knobs. The 2 settings during tuning are a coarse tuning, which allows for a larger rotation of the servo, and a fine tuning when we get closer to the desired range. The Arduino also sends the signal to the TIVA, which controls the LED system. The 4 clear LEDs shown at the top are the tuning select LEDs. The 6 yellow LEDs on the right are the strum indicator for each corresponding string. This shows the embedded Simulink model onto the TIVA, which controls the LED system. It also controls the button push on the TIVA in order to change our tuning select. The red LED in the top left is what shows when the string is read as bad signal. It then goes back to the yellow of the corresponding string, indicating for you to strum again. Once it is deemed that is the correct tuning, the green LED will light, and then the yellow LED will increment, indicating the next string to be strummed. Thank you for watching this video and for your consideration in the ECE department at Clemson University.